Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Vauxhall Antara. That button there is the map. That's sat nav, and you see destinations come up there. I'll just press it twice, make sure it doesn't. Right, okay, so some, if you press them twice, destination comes up. First time you press it, the map comes up, but this has got a separate map button. So here we go, click on destination, enter address, street, city, United Kingdom, country of destination. So I'll just see if it'll take a postcode. I'll go in city. So PR, let's see, numbers, more, list, more, 5, 4, and then JS. Click. It's thinking about it. That's it's done it. So that's it. Start. Click start.
Follow the road for 2 kilometers.
There you go. So that's how you do it. Although it says it doesn't give you a clue with postcode, if you go into city and you put the postcode, then it works. And don't forget to click more to get the numbers up. Otherwise, again, that's a bit confusing. So that's pretty good.